about how reckless I have been. And I'm slowly running out of all the time that I invested, making all the same mistakes, and I'm just trying to correct them. I'm staring at you where I pull the trigger. Chitty, chitty, baby.
This isn't paint, this is waterproof.
Saying how we feel this love.
That's messed up. Here we are, Chucks and Booze, finishing up our library mailbox. So in the video you see that we've added the roof, we put the door, we cut a cool design wave pattern for the door. We also, here goes my two girls, one there and one there. We actually also use some aqua defense on the wood to help prevent water, because I'm using I forget what type of board this is, but this is stuff that everything at IKEA is made out of, which is not necessarily good for outdoor weather, but I think we should be good because it doesn't rain that much here in Southern California. But I put the aqua defense on there just in case, to try and keep that water out. And now we are putting the finishing touches on it. We are painting it. Miss Sama here is doing some stencil. We got the glass on there, the picture frames that we got at the dollar store, to add the windows on there. And now we're going to do a zoom up, but this is pretty much a wrap. Now we just got to figure out where the heck we're going to put this thing. Ugh.
Yeah, you guys, he's the funniest, because we already know where we are gonna put this thing. It's gonna be outside the door. There's a little hanger there, and then people are gonna see, and then people are just gonna get it.
She painted a cool bird on the back. Remember the bird in the beginning of the video? The very first video, she drew a bird and the house, and the bird ended up on the final project. We got the first window in there. It is still drying. We're going to put a little bit of caulk around the edges. And this is what the front of it looks like with the cool door and handle. We just got to add a little bit. Eventually I'm going to add some roofing tiles onto here. I had a bunch. I threw them away. I did not know I was going to be doing this project here. So now I know to be a pack rat from now on. There you go. Okay.
Well done.
Okay, some in there tight.
Like over here.
Not so tight. Just press it quickly. Alright, that's it. There you go.